Hi, thank you for inquiring on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channels. So this video is for you to explain you about the pricing, how we calculate the pricing for a prefab construction project. So first of all, you need to have a proper floor plan with north orientation direction. Either you can provide us on a paper with all the details like the height, length, breadth, internal partitions, number of washrooms, etc., or you can take any architect's help or any draftsman and you can get a floor plan prepared which is very particular to your plot. So somebody else floor plan will not suit your requirement. So you should be first able to get your floor plan, then you can send it to us. We can help you out with a tentative costing, and if you want a detailed costing, we would charge for the consultations. We can give you the pricing for different consultations and all. In the consultation, site visit will be included, then the pricing, in detail pricing, all your doubts, etc., can be cleared. So this video is, if you have a floor plan, then we can take this forward to a next step. If you don't have a floor plan, please get a floor plan prepared. You can take us our help, or you can take any architect in your city and you can come back to us. Now coming to part of what type of scale of work we will take, and also the general pricings, how the costing will happen. So up to 2000 square feet, the cost when compared with the traditional RCC slab construction, more or less the cost will be same or maybe a 10% higher for prefab construction when compared with the traditional, because the materials are not available on site or in the same city. Let's say if you are working if you are doing any project in Hyderabad, the material manufacturing plant is in Hyderabad. So the charges for the transportation can be less, and there will be a difference when compared with the traditional construction. So you can expect 10 to 15% less price when compared to the traditional construction. Considering a 50 lakh project for a traditional construction, you can expect 45 lakhs, 46 lakhs for our prefab construction. The advantages is it's a hassle-free, and the materials of steel and panels can be reused, and also it's a less time duration construction, like we can do it in 90 days or 60 days based on the requirement of the client and also their scope of work. So the pricing is basically different parameters we will work. So unlike in the construction part, how we will do for the foundation, internal bricks and walls, slab and all. So this is a totally different pricing for this one. So up to 2000, if your requirement is there, we suggest you don't expect any price difference. If your purpose is to get the things done fast with a reliable company, it will all together by a one vendor or a company. If you have a time constraint, if you want to reuse the building materials, if your property is a leased property, and if your purpose is something like a short duration for a 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, if you are a school owner, college, hostel, hospital, convention hall, second farmhouse, all this can be done.